Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do the alternator change for the V6 2010 Nissan Murano. In order to replace the old alternator, we have to jack up the car, remove the right side front wheel, and remove the back side panel, the plastic panel, and then you can just remove the front panel here, and because it's whole piece all the way, so you can just remove the half of the plastic bowl and then flip the half size over, so you can have enough room to work for the replacing the old alternator. We also need to remove the front bottom plastic cover, this piece here, so we can able to get access for the front compressor to mounting bolt and the upper bolt of the alternator. For the top, we need to remove this air intake piece. In order to remove this air intake piece, there's one 10mm bolt here, or the other 10mm bolt here, or you can remove the fitted screwdriver. And we also need to remove the oil dipstick and auto sensor cable, just detached from the mounting tip only, so we don't need to remove the auto sensor. And so the auto sensor is down there. The other gray cable, if we need more room, we need to remove the engine cover. There's 3 bolts holding the engine cover, 2 Allen key bolt here, and one 10mm bolt. And we make sure we need to disconnect the battery terminal, so no electrical power going on when we work with the alternator and the compressor. So we need to disconnect the battery terminal. It's really difficult to remove the upper bowl of the alternator. Just the attach cable first. So get some room here, and we can move the hoses over there. You can see the upper bowl just down there, right up there. That's the upper bowl, so it's right there. So try to remove, get the worm, get the hose removed. Just move sideways to make the worm. You can attach the trauma bolt up there. It's very difficult. And also the cable, yes, moving around the cable, make sure you have enough room to reach the bolt up there. You can see. This is the front of the car, back of the car, yes, the alternator upper bolt. So the alternator already come out from this. Lower the compressor this way, and make sure do not damage this wire. So you have to disconnect the holder right there, the keep holder from there, and just make it flush. And this lock here when the compressor comes down, so it doesn't hit this wire, and the sharp edge doesn't cut the wire. So it can be able to come out from this side here. So now, so I can put the new one inside, and just make sure when it drop the alternator down, just make this angle like kind of like these angles, so make more room for the alternator to come down. Just twist the alternator a little bit, and it will come out from here. And also please check the bushing for the gap between here to here. Sometimes the bushing is not pushing all the way in, so you may have a difficulty. To put the new one in. As I just try, I find out the bushing is a little bit out, so very difficult to put the new alternator to put it back, because it has to be enough room to slot in right back. So what I do is I using some WD-40, just lubricate here, but be careful, don't drop the WD-40 inside the alternator, and just slightly using plastic hammer and hammer out a little bit to make more room. So spacing pretty much same as the old one, and then suck it in. Otherwise, sometimes it come with the bushings sticking right out here. That's what I have. So I have a difficulty when I put this new alternator in. So now it should be ready to go. Alright, ready to go. What I do this time is I flip the cable the other way when it going in, or you can flip the other way when it's going down. So now should be ready to put everything back, lines up and put everything back by reverse order. So it's in, the alternator is in. So just slice up and put the bolt back and ready to go.